everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Rtech Infosys. So now today we are back with the topic of Java, and this very tutorial is on static keyword. Here we're gonna discuss in detail the static keyword, various methods, various variables in which we can use static keyword. The static keyword is used in Java mainly for memory management. The static keyword belongs to the class, then instance of the class. The static can be variable, also known as class variable, method, block, and also a nested class. So these are the ways where we can use static. Basically, static is used for memory management, such that in the memory a specific space is allocated by using the static keyword. Now first of all, we'll start with static variable. The static variable can be used to refer the common property of all objects that is not unique for each object. Example, company name of employees, college name of students, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in class area at the time of class loading. We will discuss this in detail with the help of an example. Understanding problem without static variable. Let's just have a class with the name student, initializing the basis, then int roll number, that is the integer type roll number, then string name, then we have taken a fixed value, that is the name of college. Here you can take any name of the college, closed. So here what is actually going to happen, this college word is given a fixed value, but we are not giving it the static keyword. In the next example, when we will use the static keyword, that I am going to tell you. Class student, class open, then int roll number, after that string name. Static keyword here we are using for the variable and giving it a fixed value which will be allocated in the memory as one single value of college, whatever name you will give. Now constructor student, passing the values int r and string n. Now we'll give the value roll number is equals to r and name is equals to n. Initializing it, we will call a method void display. In this, to get on the screen, we will use system.out.println. Here roll number plus double quotes for space plus name variable which we initialized in the constructor plus space and then college. Now here college is the static variable where we have given its value with the help of static keyword. After closing this method, we will call the main, public static void main, string argument. Passing the arguments, we'll call the object student S1 is equals to new student, and we will pass the value 111, comma, double quotes, any name. Second time we are calling it. Then this display method s1.display, s2.display, and then closing it. Closing the main as well as the class. So dear students, here the answers come out to be 111 current ITS. So now the ITS is the name of college. With the help of static keyword, we have given this name. So what here happen is, because of the static keyword, only once in the memory the value of college is allocated as ITS, which we can use further, and here we are using by just calling the keyword college. See, the stack memory where S1 and S2 are the two objects called by us, here the value of ID is given different. 111, name is Karan, another ID is equals to 222 and name is Aryan, but the college value, that is the fixed static value, which is only given once in the class area because of the use of static variable. So here I think you all are confirmed. We can also get more clear into it by performing this example with static keyword or without static keyword. When you will do this example, you will come to know the difference. Now the program of counter without static variable. Class counter, starting the class, then int count is equals to 0, counter constructor, then we will increment operator would be used with count, system.out.println count, when you'll call the main and we will initialize the object C1, C2 again, C3 again, closing the program, the output will come out to be 1. See, again every time 111 is coming because we have not taken the static variable. But when we will use the static variable, class counter, static int count, here the values taken under static, same constructor, and same way we will call increment operator count plus plus. When we will print count on the screen and call the main and make the object 3 times, so here see, after closing the program, the output would be very different. It is actually increasing the value. So here the reason which I have told you earlier is the value which was not static there remains same 111, but here static means fixed memory allocated, that is the value is fixed over there. So when we will increase it to the value shown on the screen with increment operator would be 111 increasing, that is 1, 2 and 3. I hope this is clear. Again we'll start with static method where it already did static variable and now it is static method. A static method belongs to the class rather than the object of a class. A static method can be evoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. Static method can access static data member and can change the value of it. I hope these points are clear to all. Example of static method: class student, initializing the class, int roll number, string name, static string college is equal to ITS, like we have taken it earlier, because the static method will use the static variables. Now method we have taken static is static void change. College is equals to BBDIT or whatever you can take, it is up to your choice. Again we will call the constructor student int r string n, roll number is equals to r, name is equals to n, and then closing it. Void display system.out.println roll number plus double quotes plus name plus double quotes for the space plus college. In the main section we will call the method student.change, which was a static method. Then make the constructors objects value, passing the values S2, S3, S1.display, S2.display and S3.display. Closing the methods, the output is 111 current BBDIT. So it is the use of static method. This way you can use it. And we have changed the value of college with the help of this method. Again, next time the value remains the same. Another example of static method that performs normal calculation. Class calculate static int cube int x, return x multiply x multiply x, close it. Main, then int result is equal to calculate dot cube, passing the value 5, system dot out dot println result, closing it, and the output comes out to be 125. So in this way we can find the cube. This is a normal calculation. Now we will study the restrictions for static method. The static method cannot use non-static data member or call non-static method directly. So which I told you earlier, when we are using a static method, we have to use the static data members. Class A, int A is equal to 40, which is non-static. We'll call the main, we'll print A, close it, and we will not get any output. This is what I am trying to make you all know, that we cannot use over here non-static variables. So this is enough for the class. We'll come back with another topic. Thank you.
आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हम आपको लिए चलेंगे आपकी फेवरेट वीडियो की तरफ।